Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Formula custom fields. This feature is incredibly powerful for automating calculations across your projects, whether you're tracking sales totals, budget allocations, or any other metrics that require real-time math. Let's start by heading over to your Asana project in the web app. Once you're in your project, navigate to the list view where you'll see all your tasks laid out in a grid format. This is where you'll be adding your new formula field. Now look at the top of any column header and you'll notice a small plus icon sitting in the corner. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to customizing the data you track within this project, and it opens up the Add Field menu where you can choose from various field types. In that menu, you'll see several options, but we're specifically looking for formula under the field types. Click on Formula to begin setting up your automated calculation field. First, you'll need to give your formula field a name. In the field title box, type something descriptive that clearly indicates what this field will calculate. For example, if you're calculating revenue, you might name it total sales. This helps your team instantly understand what the numbers represent. Next comes the actual formula setup. In the formula area, you'll see your first dropdown that says Select Field. Click on it and choose your first variable from the list of existing custom fields in your project. Let's say you select quantity as your first variable. Right below that, you'll see the operator dropdown, which defaults to a plus sign. Click on this and select the operator you need for your calculation. For our example, we'll choose the multiplication symbol represented by X, since we want to multiply quantity by price. Now click the second Select Field dropdown to choose your second variable. In our case, we'll select unit price. At this point, you've created a basic formula that will multiply the quantity by the unit price for each task. If your calculation needs are more complex, perhaps involving multiple operations or parentheses, simply toggle on the Advanced Editor option. This opens up more sophisticated formula building capabilities, allowing you to construct multi-step calculations. Before finalizing, you can optionally add a description to help team members understand what this field calculates, or adjust formatting options like decimal places or currency symbols. When everything looks good, click Create Field to finalize your formula. The new formula field will immediately appear as a column in your project view, and you'll see it automatically calculating values for each task based on the variables you've defined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.